Okay, so when I get a piece, if I'm going to make a cover or if I'm going to make a custom art piece for a poster or a billboard, which is awesome to drive down the highway and see your artwork on a billboard, um, I have something, an idea of what I want and where I'm going to start. So with this one, this little girl right here, yeah, I know I can't move it. Um, she came to me as a PNG, completely cut out. If she had come to me on white, I would have had to cut her out, and that's a pain in the tuchus. But at any rate, that's not the point of this video. The video is for me to show you what I believe you call a render. I think some people call them tubes. I don't know. I call them people, PNG people. So, and then I just build a universe around her. One click at a time can show you, but each one that I'm clicking is a layer. Um, so if we zoom in, I think when you were showing me the screen renders, you had like colors on their clothes, things like that. All of those things to me are little pieces. They're pieces that I turn on and off. I add. The girl, let's see, I can put the glow on her face or turn the glow off. If I turn some of this other stuff off above her, you can see the glow on her face better. It shows up along her jacket. It shows up on her hand. This puts a shadow over here, which gives more brightness in this direction from what's in her hand. We can turn on so it looks like it's flowing around her hand. Pardon me. And then these just add more atmosphere to the overall image. You can shut off as many or as few as you want. You can change them. You can change the color. As I do all of that within Photoshop. These are just little bitty layers. Everything is a single layer. She's a layer all by herself, you know? So I don't, maybe I'm oversimplifying it. You know what I'm talking about. I'm not sure. But when you say you were rendering light, I don't know. I think that's the same thing I do with a layer. I just, I add a layer. I choose a color. We'll just go with white. I grab a brush and I brush it in. I go over here and I change how it lays down on her skin. And I can turn off turn down how bright it is, you know. So obviously I don't want that white light on her face or anywhere else, but it just becomes a light that I move, a layer on its own. So maybe that'll help. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. If you have any questions, let me know.